for this yucky virus. Now we need to think about washing our toys. So I've got lots of toys here today to wash. I have a big tray, but you can also use your bath, or you can also use your sink at home. I've got some nice bubbles here to wash away all the germs. I've got a cloth and also a nice sponge to get lots of bubbles going. And then I also have a tray here to put your toys to dry afterwards. So you can put this one outside if you want, because it's nice and warm outside and all your toys can dry outside, okay? So we're going to add in some of our bubbles. Let's get lots of bubbles in there, and then we can get nice and messy and let all the bubbles in here. And then I'm going to take some of my toys that need to get washed. So I have here my cow, so I'm going to start off and I'm going to give a good wash. I'm going to get lots and lots of bubbles. Can you all do this together? We're going to get lots of bubbles and we're going to wash our lovely cow. Give it a good clean to make sure there's no yucky germs there, yeah? Let's give it a good wash, and then we're going to pop it inside the tray so that it can dry. Now we're going to move on to some of our other toys. Don't forget we also have our blocks and bricks, and even some of our dinosaurs. They all need to be nicely washed and clean. Can you help your mommy and daddy to clean all of your toys? As well as keeping your hands nice and clean, we also have to keep our toys nice and clean. So now my basket is all empty and my toys are nice and clean inside our tray. So now I'm going to take these outside and I'm going to let them dry, and hopefully they'll be nice and clean and germ free. Hope you enjoy washing your toys. See you next time.